Okay, legends, we're doing a fucking Hoangs part 2 because I don't think I described in the first part how fucking good this thing is as a Corvette just fucking parks up. Anyway, how you going? So this is Hoangs part 2, barbecue chicken. Have a fucking look at that there. I don't know if you can see because of the sun, but that is just delicious, man. Jam-packed full. It's got barbecue chicken, it's got the cod lettuce, it's got the carrot, onion, cucumber. It's got like little fried onion bits, which are just delicious. Give it a bit of crunch. The crunchy fresh roll. What more can I say? It's got the how you going sauce. Oh, it's got the serviette, mate, so no point reductions here. If you're down Chapel Street, I'm not sure if I'm in Windsor or Paran or even South Yarra. It's somewhere on Chapel Street. It's called Hoangs, H-O-A-N-G. I suggest you get on it because it's fucking great. See, little bakeries that aren't that big, you know, that pull out the ripper rolls, man. I'll give it, have to give it a 9. It is that good. Get on it.